Okay, we will need the Duplicator plugin. This one is the one I'm talking about. This one is the Duplicator. It's been downloaded by 1 million. It says 1 million active installs, so of course I already downloaded it. So once you install it, it appears on the just below your settings. So it's this one right here. Click on Duplicator. I'm gonna delete this one. Delete. And I'm gonna begin fresh again. I will create a new one. This one will make a copy of the website that I have created. We just click on create new. As you can see, everything passed over here. Then you just go straight to next. It's scanning for any issues that it might have. It says everything is complete, everything is good, and we hit build. Now it's building the package. It's gonna take a while. Okay, now that we have it says, now that it has been finished, it says package completed. Now you want to download the two items, installer and archive. We begin to download installer first, and then we download archive. We're gonna need these two. We're gonna save it for showing folder. These are the two files. I'm gonna save them to my folder, to the folder that I have over here. There you go. Now we go to cPanel, which is this one right here. This one is my the GoDaddy cPanel. We go to databases. We go to MySQL databases. And we will create a new database. So we will create a new database with the when perfect one, that's it. It says how does the database work requirement. We go back. Now as you can see, we have a new database over here. Border bueno. Now we will create a user, admin, password. Okay, we have successfully created a MySQL username for the one. Now we do that. Now set user for the one database to be then archive. Now we manage the privileges that we have. Click on all privileges. So yeah, we click on all privileges and we hit make changes. User border 1 was added to the database border 1 with requested privileges. We go back. There we are. Now we go to File Manager. Here is File Manager. This is the one that you're going to choose. File Man after you have added the database and you have added the user to the database and the user privileges. After you have done all that, you come here to File Manager. This one right here. Click on File Manager. You open up the web root for border1.com. Here we are. What you see on the file is CPI test bin, so we're going to add a folder. We're going to add the folder. File. Duplicator. Google.com. There it is, installer.php. And we go back to upload it. Now we're gonna get this one right here. Border 1. As you can see, it's uploading. This one's gonna take a little while because the file has a larger size compared to the installer compared to the installer PHP file. This one is much larger because of course it's the whole website. Of course, now it's complete. Go back. Now we have the two files installed. So you can see the installer PHP and the Bueno file. Okay, now that we have the three files installed PHP, the Burger Bueno website file and the CPID, as you can see, nothing is happening with the Burger Bueno site. So now what I'm gonna do is you just hit change the name a little bit, install it, PHP. Now as you see, Duplicator appears. Task, validation, CI, step 1. This is the first screen, step 1 for deployment. Archive pass, validation pass, actions. We don't need to type that, analysis, we don't need to type it. You see, I have read and accept all terms and analysis. And hit next. So we just hit next. So you guys, I was able to get into step 2 of the process. But I think I was able to get into step 2 of the install the database. I think what I did was to first I had to enable the zip. I had to enable this one. This one right here. You have to. This was unchecked. The zip option. This one allows you to unzip the file folder that you get from Duplicator. This one the zip option has to be enabled on your server, on your host server. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to unzip the file, the folder that the Duplicator gives you. That folder contains your website. So this one is crucial right here to enable zip, to unzip any folders that you might have on your host server. The other thing that I did was to deactivate all the plugins. Yeah, what I did was to deactivate all the plugins on the website before creating the files. And third, the last thing I did was to delete all the WordPress files that were on the root folder. All the WordPress files that were from the past, I have deleted them. I think that was creating a conflict too. That's the reason why. Those three reasons are why I was not able to get into step 2 of the process. So yeah, number 1, if you are going to transfer a website using Duplicator, first enable zip on your host server. Second, deactivate all your plugins before creating a copy of your website with Duplicator. And third, delete all the existing WordPress files from the older website. Those 3 things are the ones that you should do before beginning the transfer process from from a local test to a host server such as GoDaddy and HostGator. Okay. Okay. Now we are on step 2. We begin with the deployment process, the transfer process. So we write down the database that we created. Is worker ONA. This is the MySQL database that we created before doing this process. We will write down the password. Okay. We tested the database using this one and it was successful. Now I click next. With this one, this message appears. It says run started with the settings. Yes. So now it's installing the database. Please wait. It's gonna take a few minutes. These are the new settings. You click next. Now the test begins. Site review. I think I'm gonna have to use to log in into your WordPress to your new WordPress site. You will have to use your login, your original login, the one that you use for the login that you use for your local test site on your local computer. So make sure that you keep your information login handy because you're gonna need it. Mine was yeah, here we are. Okay, now that we are here, we are gonna go down and we're gonna remove the installation files now. This one right here, you have to click every time you successfully migrate a website, you must remove the installation files. Okay. As you can see, it removed all the installation files. And that's it. Now we go to border. Time to test the website. Oh, oh, that's nice. Okay, now I just need to activate the old plugins that I deactivated, and it should be fine. Let's go to dashboard, plugins. We're going to activate them again. Activate. Oh no, it's working now. Now I just need to make a few changes, but that's it. I think that's it, people. That's how you that is how you successfully migrate a website from a local host from a local test site from your local computer to a host server such as GoDaddy or HostGator. And thank you very much. I'm just gonna make some few adjustments here. I need to change the footer color and the footer content right here, and the site will be finished. So let's do that right now.